Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Monday to you. Happy Columbus Day. Another week in the market, y'all see. I guess they are pricing this tariff thing in. I seen last night during the overnight trading market in Robinhood, everything started going up. So it is what it is, which is a good thing. Stocks are still down. Got a green day today, but most of your stocks you brought last week, last Friday, are still down, still in buy range. You could buy them and help push them back up. And see what happened, man. See, we're gonna get this this interest rate cut for October. Get one for December. They do 25 points October, 25 December. Hopefully nothing else go wrong with the economy. Hopefully hurricanes stay away for one. They got this. Seeing a notification. Didn't really read on it. Trump talking about the Russia-Ukraine war, putting some adding assist to Ukraine, giving them some kind of bombers or something against Russia. Hoping this ain't gonna start no World War III between Russia and United States. Um, Government shutdown still going on. Inflation still high. All type of stuff going on in this economy in this world right now. But we're gonna keep pushing forward. Y'all subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Watch me some videos. Share my channel. Also, I also did some videos. Last night I did one about some BDCs. Monthly payers to buy. That's in buy range. No risk it, no biscuit. And I think before that, I did the weekly paying ETFs. I was buying like the top 5, or top 4 or something. Man, you can catch those on my channels and my videos though. For y'all that's trying to learn and want cash flow, I do these videos. It's up to y'all to watch them, but the videos are there. Urgent buys, urgent sales. Definitely ain't no sales. All I'm doing right now is buying. Right now, my Yield Max, my ETFs, I did buy a lot on Friday, ULTY. Now today is green. Now I got 2,940 shares at 548. Can't wait to see my payment at the end of the week. But as of right now, going to get $3 worth fractional share on that. Another one I brought, IWMY, just brought like $1,000. No, 700. Then see, I brought 1,300. IWMY. Anyway, I brought like 700. I spun 100 and I spun 3. That's 6, 7. Then another 6. I spent about $1,400 on this play here. I want to get my 100 shares. You asked me why did I buy this? Dividend yield around 80%. This pays out weekly. I like the Russell 2000. Just the options on the Russell 2000. Show you the dividend payout. That just paid on Friday. It paid 23 cents a share. I'm gonna hit dividends just to show you all the weekly payouts. Show you why I did buy. I just wanted my 100 shares. Now I can buy like a full share a week. All right. Friday paid 23 cents. The week before that, it paid when my phone catches up. Let's go back out. Hit it again. All right. Week before that, it paid. Might just call it 23 cents. Okay, September 26th week, paid 36 cents. So this always paid between like 22 to 37 cents a share a week, 23 cents. Anyway, I like to buy this at 23 and under. So I wanted to get me 100 shares. So in the weeks it paid 23 cents, I get $23. Weeks you pay 36 cents, get 36. I can buy one share every week free. Or I could just reinvest it when it's 23 and under. I just could do like $3 a day. That'd be $15 a week. Then I can still save some of the dividend, pocket it, put it at another play. So I'm done buying IWMY. Like I said, I only buy it when it's 23 and under. I'm either gonna get a one share a week at the most, or I'm gonna just put $3 on it. That's why I got that. That's my strategy. Remember, you're the CEO of your portfolio. All right, let's get the trading. OXXQ is green today. I'm going in at 177. You look at the last week, this thing been going up. Last month, that's what it is. The bottom out, look like it's on its way up. I'm gonna ride it on up. Going in today at 177. This does pay 3.5 cents a share a month. I'm buying this dip. 1.77. It pulls back, it'll trigger it. Buying this cash flow up. Like I say, once he start cutting these rates, all these REITs and BDCs, they're gonna shoot up. LYB, Lionel Basel, 45.48. I was gonna go in that. That was the daily low. Definitely the average my calls down in this one. Definitely below the $49 mark. That's a dividend play. Got about 11% dividend yield now. TCPC, another BDC. Going into day 545. Give me a full share. In case it does pull back. Nice quarterly pair. See, once I'm out, man, I'm about to go get $3 worth right now. Just in case it doesn't pull on back, I'm getting some of it. BF.B, Brown Foreman. Another one I'm gonna get. Got to ride that up. 52 week. Come on, man. Let's go, Robinhood. 52 week. High 49.89 with a low 25.53. Lowering my average calls there. That is a liquor company for y'all to send that play. Bring it on down. Western Union down to $7.95 today. Not worrying about that. Today is back up now. COF Capital One got down to 204.30. Definitely right now some time to put it in. I think I'm gonna sell all my bank stocks and just go with the credit card company. They both in the financial sector. But when my bank stocks do run, I think I'm just keep my credit card companies. Got MSTY 13.35. This got down to 12.84. So what am I gonna do? Get a little bit, $3 worth. And I'm going in at 12.84. Just in case it goes back there. MSTY got too much volume. They're going to go there just for the dividends. If this start paying out weekly, this thing definitely a jump. PFLT, Pennant Float, 10.2 cents a share a month. Still below that $9 range. Got to get me. Knowing that average call slowly. I'm at 10.87. This usually $11 play. USOY. USOY been chilling. I haven't really been buying it. Reason being, I just buy it weekly. I just priced the weekly low. It seems like it's just been dropping. This the pattern of it for the week. This the pattern for the month. It just keeps coming down like it's losing its nav. So I'm going to kind of let it settle. Just like YieldMax had to find its own footing. So I just buy it every week. 12.63 for YMAX. The day thing we got the 12.55 for the low. I like it at these prices here. Go get me some more shares to add on. This gonna shoot back past the 12.80 mark. But while it's here, 12.62, because it look like it's about to ride back up. This don't sit long. I brought over 100 shares last week. Got my average calls down to 14.31 now. Also pays out weekly. Definitely a less volatile ETF to have. Lumen Finance going in at $1. Well, 177. I'm about to say 178. Looks like this about to come down. My 5 shares like I've been doing. Lower my average calls on this one. I need to get this below the $2 mark. I'm at 228. Nice quarterly pair. When it goes up and runs, I'm going to get rid of it. USOI definitely taking advantage of this. Dividend yield right now is, well, not going to show you on here, but should be above 20%. It's doing options on oil. $20 worth of that. This pays out monthly while it's cheap. Commodities for oil go back up if it does. One thing about it, you can just reinvest the dividends. I need to get my 100 shares of that anyway. Metafast down. I'm going to sell this when it shoot back above the $14 range. Rinse to repeat. Lower my average cost. Treat myself up out of that one. Get all my money, put in another play. All these stocks not what they were way back in the day. Metafast was like a $60 stock, man. And it was a hell of a dividend payer. OXLC, 40 cents a share a month. Another one for you to go in to get this. I buy 5 shares a week. I brought a bunch of shares last week. NLY, $20.60. At $26.99. Need to lower my average cost in this one, especially in this portfolio. And for me to start buying that. Pays 70 cents a share a month out quarterly. Got like a 15% dividend yield. UPS, another one for you to add on. ORC. Wait for this to come on down. 712, good for me. Go pick up a little $3 worth. I want to get in at that probably 708 and lower, so I can make me another quick swing trade with it. A guy is saying Vero Beach, Florida. I've been having headquarters Vero Beach, Florida. Some thoughts about these REITs, man, especially one in California, Florida. You know, the hurricanes in the future going to tear that state up. I don't know, real estate still going to be what it is because insurance going to go up, which going to make the escrow payment go up, and property tax going to probably, it might drop being that nobody really moving there, but it's just a rough time for California and Florida. California with those wildfires and stuff. I don't know if I really want to do real estate there, so I'm thinking about getting out of these. They pay a nice payout, but man, you can get the cover call ETFs about now and get the same results. Cash flow is cash flow. Probably, I ain't gonna say with less risk because I will be lying, but something like YMAX, I'll put it in that one. Or you can do an AMZY, Amazon, or like Disney, or DISO, or XOMO, Exxon. It's Google, GOOY. And get the more bang for your buck. Costco, going in to get some more of that. SRLN, 8% dividend yield. Another one I like, buying like $5 to $10 of this a day. TWO, Two Harbors, said 967, 970. I put a buy order in. It did trigger it. I put one in at like 966. Got 960 for 30 shares here. Let's take a look. Yep, 966, 5 shares. This got down today to 966. 17.96% yield of 1.01 billion market cap. Where they based out of? Minnesota, South Lewis Park. Anyway, gonna get $5 more of that right here. FLO Flowers Food. Sorry, that's FLOW. Down to 1231 or 1251 today. We'll get some of that. Wendy's. Ooh, Lord, love-hate relationship with this stock. Change the dollar cost average in this portfolio here. Got MFA. 905. Why am I buying this? Dividend yield 15.7%. 52-week high 1278 with a low of 785. The financial BDC. Y'all trying to get up out of these plays. You got to lower your average cost while it's cheap. So, the only thing I'm going to tell you, RC, Ready Capital, 338 today. It's going to be another swing trade here when it go back past the $4 mark. I'm going to let all this rip. CHMI, Cherry Hill, getting his butt whooped. Get 3 shares, try to cash up a little bit. AFCG. Another one been getting whooped. $3.30. West Palm, Florida. Yep, I'm getting up out of these plays here. Don't worry about it. This went all the way up. This is a little marijuana stock. It's another I'm going to get rid of. You got YBit, Bitcoin. Bitcoin must be down. Let's go take a look. BTC. So this down. Bitcoin at 115. Okay. YBit is also one I might get rid of too and just put it in YMAX. But anyway, I only buy this at $10 and under. And this above that, I don't touch it, but that also moves quick. Got Coney, options on Coinbase. Well, this shot up quick. This is at 685 today. Get $2 worth while I'm here. But this is actually at 685. Ain't worrying about it. My average cost is low on Coinbase because I brought it and sold it. IVR down to 718 today. And this going to go back to past the $8 mark. This out at Atlanta. Oh, I ain't know that. 715. Numbers of shares 5. $7.15. Nah. This pay 40 cents a share every quarter. Need to lower my average cost on this one. They recently cut their dividend at that price too. MITT, another one. You come on down. 52-week low is 562 at a high 797. How many shares I own of this anyway? I could just reinvest the dividends. If the 52-week high is 797, $7, that should get back there with no problem. Now wait, ain't no big deal. ULTY. Well, we done did that for the day. Got a little bit of that. PSEC, Prospect Capital. $268 today. Definitely about to go get some of that. 4.5 cents a share a month. Definitely why it's below the 270 mark. Got the Dow 2166, but they was down today more than that. I got the notification, but things move quick, man. Already up $1 for the day. This is below that. What's the day's low? 2081. Okay, we ain't gonna play around with you then. Need to get my average cost down on this one. I'm at 27. DEO is another one. 95.78. Starting to go up. And let's go check out traps. That's everything I got for now, man. I did buy some good cash flow, man, last week. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Especially on that YMAX. Got me some IWMY. Got some Coney. I'm gonna sit back and chill. This market can go do its thing. I put myself in a good place, especially with that weekly money. As you can see, everything green. They pricing in the market, pricing in all this stuff. All the nonsense. Trump done shook up everybody, got everybody scared, panic selling for they can go in and buy cheap. And it's another I need to buy low and sell high over the $9 mark. Gonna get rid of that too. Don't worry about it. Your boy about to clean this thing up. I mean, I'm already looking good, ain't bad, but NHI, National Healthcare Investors, I'm up pretty good here, 4.92% yield. That's for a dividend play. See KHC. Another one I got to come down in, I'm a dump. Well, I still got this love-hate with this one. I should have got my butt out of that when it was up. Man, I kicked my... That's why I went and brought all that ULTY, because I was feeling bad. Everything good, man. I brought a bunch of cash flow. Not bad, not mad at it. Definitely not. BDN, Brandywine. It's another REIT here I need to get my butt out of. Need to track that out. Go buy me about 25 shares. BDN. Put that on my thing. Need to track that out weekly. Go load up on that. RPT is another one I've been buying. 238 today. Definitely taking advantage of this one. I need to get my average cost down. Got to be more aggressive. So when it does start going up, I can get a share in. My average cost too high. I'm at 353. I'm going to have to go load up on that one. BGS just paid a dividend. Don't worry about that. Got AFCG, IBR. Did I just buy some of this anyway? I know I got the shares in, but let me get my fractional share. At least get something of it while it's this cheap. GSBD, another one last week, me getting whooped. Goldman Sachs, BDC. I definitely loaded up on this one too. At 1075 now, in a good place. DISO 1254. I'm getting some of that. I like owning the ETF, so I get paid for holding it. When Disney up, this gonna be up. When it's down, it's down. XOMO 1164. I'm gonna just start buying shares of that weekly. Bring down average call. That's way FSK. When I've been giving y'all, now it's up 4% today. And why I say while it be down, you better be buying. All right, got FSK. YBit ain't gonna stay down long. What's the daily low on this one? I can get me a couple shares. Let's go. What I did, I went at 915, 910. It was 953. This don't trade 24 hour. That's the reason I say I might sell that and put it in the Y Max, because Y Max have YBit in it. So that's why I say, so you take the volatility out of it. PYPY, it's gonna go back up. I like this at 11 and under. It's the only time I bothered. DEA been getting whooped. For this go back up 21. One thing about my portfolio, I can stop buying and get dividends every day to pay the margin back. That's why you see me spend it. Webull. It's gonna be a long-term play here. You want to build your position, it'd be the time here to do it. Once this take off, it's gonna take off. Good pull back from the 146, 148 last week. 138, and get some of that. It's gonna be a long-term play here. Do not load up on it. You can swing trade it though. Does have a lot of volume. So far, I just started a position right here. It's gonna be a long-term play also. Building me a position out here. Add some growth to this portfolio. And that's it, man. Y'all have a good day. Enjoy your holiday. Not much going on. About to go to the gym, get me a workout in, work on my truck. And that's it, man. Get ready for tomorrow for the week. What we got this October? We got like 2.5 months left for the year, so y'all better finish up strong. It will be, well, Halloween to be here in what, 2.5 weeks? Thanksgiving to be here in what, 45 days or something? You got Christmas coming behind it. So it is what it is. This year is over with. Finish it up strong. Signing off. Go get your money.